some women, fetching water, right? These are the subjects that we relate with. We know them. The business of painting is to keep everything simple. Simplicity is the best. Don't go complicated. If you go much more complicated, it means your work is gonna look like a picture. It's a aibu or aesthetic. You end up with a very nice picture. Okay, the artist how share normal. This is so beautiful. It's just excellent. No, we don't do that. We do simple things. Simple. You can see brush stroke. We need to see a brush stroke. After we paint, ngari snap. Yes. Yeah. Ngari snap. There's no brush strokes. There is nothing. If muntasel say pencil, the line. We don't need that kind of work. But I want a brush stroke. It's not nice. Yeah, that's what we need. Something that is not nice. Something that is not nice. Round one again. Something that is not nice, that's what we need. I want a brush stroke sometimes. And you will learn how to hold the brush. Most people have a brush, so. And then you get the tongue in the air. Like this. No. Not like that. You just hold the brush. Just be free. Then you paint. You paint. To all directions. You see, it can go to that direction. Oh yes. Yes, that's, yes. Yeah, you see, but I can see it's not this something different. You can see this is a real art. Because you can see brush strokes. You can see what I mean, brush strokes. You can see all this. Yeah, you can see that this is art. All around brush strokes. It's not like a something painted with tongue in the air. Like this. Everything was simplicity. With the free hand. With your brush, everything you can see. It's excellent. Good work. Yes, sure. Thanks. So this is what I'm going to do. I have my palette here, and then I've got my taps. Usual taps. It's used to clean the brush. I would suggest Pick and Pay taps. It doesn't smell. Yeah, the other one has got a strong smell. And then the Pick and Pay one that I use, without advertising, the Pick and Pay brand. Yeah, because it's cheaper. So usually you got the other stuff called the Game Soul. I use that stuff. It doesn't smell, no smell, nothing, but it's very expensive and it's imported from USA. 5 liter you can pay 5 liter for over 1,200 rand just for 5 liter. I mean, if you get a good taps at Pick and Pay, how much you pay? It's less than 200 rand, and it will take you too far. You don't have to pay those expensive stuff. So I'm going to use yellow, blue, and red. These are my principal colors with the complementary of white, and that's it. So let's now start. Out of these three colors, I can get whatever color I need. Whatever color I need, I can get, them out of these three colors. If I want orange, I can get orange. If I want red, if I want green, I can get out of these colors. So you can get a green, you got your yellow here, you can mix your green, your yellow with blue, and then you can get different greens, lots of greens. You can mix your yellow with your red, you can get lots of orange. And then you bring your white, a little bit of a mixture, of this white here. So let's start. As you can see, I don't use too many brushes. I'm going to use this brush here. I'm not going to draw, but I'm going to cover the whole surface of the canvas.